as we grow older. Taking care of our health becomes more important than ever. After the age of 65, the body starts to change in many ways. Our skin becomes thinner. Our immune system becomes weaker. And small infections or problems can become serious if we don't take care of them early. Many people focus on eating healthy food and doing exercise, which is very important. But there's another simple thing that can help you live longer and stay healthy. It's something you can do every day in just a few minutes. It doesn't cost much. You don't need a doctor or medicine for it. What is this small thing? It's cleaning one important part of your body, your feet. That's right. Keeping your feet clean every day can help prevent many problems that come with age. In fact, clean feet can protect your heart, your brain, your balance, and even your life. Let's talk more about why clean feet are so important after the age of 65. Why feet matter so much after 65. Your feet carry your whole body. They help you move, walk, stand, and stay active. When your feet hurt, you move less. When you move less, your muscles become weak, your joints get stiff, and your heart becomes less strong. Many elderly people fall because of weak feet or loss of balance. Also, feet are often ignored. People wash their faces, hands, and underarms daily, but they forget to wash their feet properly. Dirt, sweat, and bacteria build up. And in older adults, the skin on the feet becomes dry, cracked, and thin. Cracks in the skin can lead to infections. Infections in the feet can spread fast in older adults, especially those with diabetes or weak immunity. Sometimes these infections become so bad that they lead to hospitalization. But here's the good news. Washing your feet every day can stop many of these problems before they start. Let's look at some of the health risks that come from dirty or ignored feet and how daily washing can prevent them. Risk 1. Bacterial and fungal infections. The feet spend most of the day in socks and shoes. This warm, dark, and moist space is the perfect home for bacteria and fungi. If you don't wash your feet daily, bacteria can build up and cause foul smells, infections, or skin damage. Fungi like athlete's foot or toenail fungus are common in elderly people, and they can be hard to get rid of. Toenail fungus makes nails thick, yellow, and painful. If not treated, it can spread other parts of the foot. Infections can enter through small cuts or cracks. Washing your feet every day with warm water and gentle soap removes these bacteria and fungi before they grow. Drying the feet well, especially between the toes, also helps keep fungi away. Risk 2. Skin cracks and ulcers. With age, the skin becomes drier. Dry skin on the heels and soles can crack. These cracks may seem small, but they can be dangerous. In older people, cracks can turn into open wounds or ulcers. These wounds are slow to heal. If bacteria enters, it can cause deep infections. In people with diabetes or poor blood flow, ulcers on the feet can lead to serious health problems. In some extreme cases, these ulcers may require surgery or amputation. Daily foot washing keeps the skin clean and soft. It removes dead skin and lets you notice any cracks early. You can then apply lotion or ointment to keep the skin smooth and avoid problems. Risk 3. Poor circulation. When you wash your feet, you're not only cleaning them, you're also touching them, rubbing them, and maybe even giving them a small massage. This helps improve blood flow. Good circulation is important in older adults. Poor blood flow to the legs and feet is common in people with heart problems or diabetes. If your feet are always cold, numb, or swollen, it could be a sign of poor circulation. Daily cleaning gives you a chance to notice these signs early. If something feels wrong, you can speak to a doctor before it gets worse. Risk 4. Loss of balance and falls. Falls are a major cause of injury in people over 65. One reason people fall is because their feet are not in good shape. If toenails are long or thick, if there are painful corns or calluses, or there's infection or swelling, you will not walk properly. You may feel pain with each step. This changes how you walk and makes you more likely to trip or fall. When you wash your feet daily, you become more aware of how they feel. You can check your toes, nails, and soles. You can cut your nails properly. You can notice pain, redness, or swelling before it becomes a big problem. Keeping your feet clean is part of keeping your whole body steady. Daily foot care routine for people over 65. Taking care of your feet every day does not need to be hard. It can become part of your regular hygiene routine, just like brushing your teeth or washing your hands. Start by picking a time that works for you. Many people prefer to clean their feet while taking a bath or shower. Others may choose to wash their feet separately in the evening before bed. The most important thing is to do it every day. Here is a simple daily foot care routine that anyone over 65 can follow. Use warm water, not hot. Very hot water can damage the skin or cause burns, especially if you have diabetes or nerve problems in your feet. Use a mild soap. Avoid strong soaps or ones with strong perfumes. These can dry out the skin even more. A gentle, moisturizing soap is best. Clean all areas of the foot. That means the top of the foot, the bottom, the heels, and between the toes. Don't scrub too hard. Use a soft cloth, sponge, or your hand to gently wash the skin. Rinse your feet well. Make sure all the soap is gone, especially between the toes. Dry your feet carefully. Use a soft towel. Pat the feet dry and be extra gentle between the toes. Moisture between the toes can cause fungus or infection. After drying, check your feet. Look for any cuts, redness, swelling, or sores. If you cannot see the bottom of your feet, well, use a mirror or ask someone you trust to help. Apply lotion. Use a simple, fragrance-free moisturizer on the tops and bottoms of your feet. Avoid putting lotion between the toes because moisture can lead to fungal infections there. Wear clean socks. After cleaning and moisturizing your feet, put on clean, dry socks. Cotton or moisture-wicking socks are good choices. Change your socks every day, or more often if they become damp. Trim your toenails regularly. Cut straight across, not too short. Avoid cutting the corners of the nails, which can lead to ingrown toenails. This routine can be done in 10 minutes a day. But these 10 minutes can help prevent infections, pain, and even hospital visits. Products that are safe for elderly feet. There are many products on the market for foot care, but not all are safe or necessary, especially for people over 65. It's best to keep things simple and gentle. When choosing soap, look for labels that say moisturizing, gentle, or for sensitive skin. Avoid antibacterial soaps unless a doctor has advised you to use them. A soft foot scrub or pumice stone can help remove dead skin, especially on the heels. But be careful not to scrub too hard. Over-scrubbing can break the skin and lead to infection. Use these tools once or twice a week, not every day. When choosing lotion, Go for something that is thick and hydrating. Creams with ingredients like urea, shea butter, or glycerin are helpful for very dry feet. If your skin is cracked, there are special heel repair creams that help seal the cracks and support healing. For nail care, use clean, sharp nail clippers. Avoid using old or rusty tools. If you have trouble cutting your own nails, a podiatrist, a foot doctor, can help. Many older adults visit a podiatrist every few months to keep their feet and nails in good condition. Avoid using sharp blades or razors to remove calluses or corns. These can cause injury and infection. There are safe foot files and soft buffers that work better. If your feet sweat a lot, foot powders can help keep them dry. Choose a mild powder made for feet. You can also choose socks that are designed to reduce moisture. Always wear shoes that fit well and give support. Ill-fitting shoes can lead to blisters, pressure sores, and falls. Other simple habits that support healthy feet. In addition to daily washing and moisturizing, there are other easy habits that help protect your feet as you age. Stay active. Walking every day helps keep your blood flowing and your muscles strong. If walking is difficult, gentle chair exercises or foot stretches can also help. Elevate your feet when sitting. This helps reduce swelling and improves blood flow. Drink enough water. Staying hydrated supports skin health and circulation. Avoid walking barefoot. Even inside the house, it's best to wear clean slippers or shoes. Bare feet are more likely to be injured by small objects or slips. Check your shoes regularly. Make sure they don't have rough seams or worn-out soles that could hurt your feet or cause you to trip. Avoid very tight or very loose shoes. Tight shoes cut off circulation, and loose shoes can cause falls. Shoes with soft, non-slip soles are best for indoor and outdoor use. If you notice numbness, tingling, color changes, or wounds that don't heal, don't wait. See a doctor or foot specialist right away. Catching problems early is the best way to prevent serious issues. The link between foot health and longevity. Now let's return to the main idea of this script. How keeping your feet clean every day can help you live longer. Some people may find this idea surprising. How can something as small as washing your feet add years to your life? Here's the truth. Good foot care leads to better movement. Better movement leads to a stronger heart, stronger lungs, and better mental health. People who stay active into old age are less likely to suffer from depression, anxiety, heart disease, and dementia. Clean feet also mean fewer infections, fewer hospital visits, and fewer complications from other health problems. Foot problems often start small, but can become dangerous. A tiny cut on the foot of an older adult can become an ulcer. That ulcer can get infected. The infection can spread to the bones or bloodstream. In serious cases, this could be life-threatening. But with daily care, these problems can often be prevented. You can think of your daily foot care routine as one small way to check in with your overall health. Every time you wash and check your feet, you're taking time to protect your body. You're looking after your balance, your comfort, your independence, and your future. In this way, clean feet are not just about hygiene. They are part of a bigger picture of aging well, living fully, and staying strong. Final thought. Growing older brings many changes to our bodies, our routines, and our health. Some of these changes are big. Others are small. But even the small things we do each day can have a big effect on how we feel and how long we live. Washing your feet every day may seem like a small act. It takes only a few minutes. but it can protect you from infection, help you notice problems early, and improve how you walk, move, and live. Clean feet can mean fewer falls, fewer hospital visits, and more days feeling strong and confident. For people over 65, the feet are more than just a part of the body. They are a foundation for health, safety, and freedom. They carry you from place to place. They support your weight and balance. And they give you the ability to stay active, enjoy life, and stay connected with others. By cleaning your feet daily, you are doing more than just removing dirt. You are practicing self-care. You are protecting your health. You are taking charge of your future in a simple, powerful way. So as you move through each day, remember this small but important habit. Make it part of your morning or bedtime routine. Take a moment to look, wash, dry, and care for your feet with attention and love. It's never too late to start. Whether you are 65, 75, or 85, this simple step can support your health and add more comfort and peace to your life. Clean feet, strong steps, better days, and maybe, just maybe, a longer, healthier life.